Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and today's another exciting day where we start filming a brand new model from Pfaff. This is the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720 sewing machine, and we're going to go through all the cool things that this machine can do. We are known for taking a machine and doing a short video on every page of the manual. So I have about 60 videos ready to go that we are going to really help you understand this machine. You can use our videos to decide if this is a model that you might like to purchase, or maybe you're just getting started and you don't even know how to thread it. We are going to walk you step by step how to do it correctly, so when you actually look at the manual it makes sense. I'll explain things. Why do you do things a certain way? And make sure that you are not caught in a situation where you don't know if it's the machine's fault or your own fault. So we'll give you some great tips to keep your machine clean, how to move around, pick all the stitches. And with Pfaff, there are amazing decorative stitches, which leads me to remind you that we have an awesome Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. And actually that's what this quilt is right behind me. And that has all different sewing techniques. There's actually 25 sewing techniques and 18 different presser feet. So after you go through all of these videos, I hope that you will join me for your next adventure as we explore other accessories and ways to put all the things that you've just learned with this machine together to be the creative sewist that you didn't even know that you were. So it is an online course. You can watch about 10 videos for free and decide if it's something that's right for you. So below this YouTube video are links to the course as well as to where you can check out and see if it's something for you. So I hope you'll enjoy these videos. There is amazing things that come with this machine. Number one, an extra large foot control. I know when anybody sits down to try out this machine, they go, oh look, that's a huge foot control. You're right. This machine does come with a printed manual, so you will be able to follow along with all of my videos. We're going to go through all the accessories that came with the machine and help you load up your accessory box correctly so you can store them all there. And it actually has a hard case. So if you're traveling to a class with friends or taking some of the classes that are available through your local Pfaff retailer, it's easy to take with you and it's protected. So if you've got questions, let us know. Otherwise, let's get started in learning everything there is about the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720 sewing machine.